Hi, I'm Cindy, a Year 2 student currently pursuing a diploma in optometry from the School of Health Sciences. And you're watching, of course, MP, where I'll be showing you what a day in the life of an MP student in my course is like.
My first lesson of the day is a synchronous online tutorial class called Contact Lens and Fitting 2. This module covers the designs, materials, and care and maintenance for rigid gas permeable lenses, also known as RGP contact lenses, that are available in the market. Students will learn the techniques of verification, insertion, removal, and fit assessment of RGP contact lenses, as well as detecting, preventing, and managing the complications related to the lens. This module also covers the effects of optical differences between contact lenses and spectacles.
I just ended my class, so now I'm gonna head for lunch at Makan Place.
Now that I've completed my lunch, I'm gonna head over for my first practical lesson for today, which is called Binocular and Pediatric Vision. Let's go! In Binocular and Pediatric Vision, it teaches students about the fundamental concepts of vision development and binocular vision. It also covers the assessment, diagnosis, and management of pediatric eye conditions and binocular vision anomalies.
Hello, Mr. Goh. What are some of the important characteristics of an optometry student?
Optometry student needs to be professional, be able to communicate well, and have empathy.
What are some of the career pathways for students of this course?
They are able to work in optical store as an optometrist, or also in an eye clinic helping the eye doctors, or they can even join multinational lens company like Hoya or Essilor.
Alright, thank you Mr. Goh for answering the questions. Bye! It's time for my break now before I continue on with my day. So normally I'll get ice cream or fries, but today I got Subway cookie.
My next lesson is also a practical class, and it's called Biostatistics and Research Methods. In this module, it starts with basic statistics and progress to include probability and statistical inference. Students will also learn the basic processes and principles applied in research, as well as how to conduct literature reviews. This module will allow optometry students to better handle data and understand the different research projects. For example, if someone were to say that a brand of eye drops helps to relieve dry eyes, I will get them to try the eye drops for a period of time and provide me with the feedback. Afterwards, using their feedback, I create stats like graphs, pie chart, etc. I can also draw conclusions like the percentage to prove my hypothesis.
Now you must be wondering what are some of the reasons why I chose to go into optometry. I decided to join optometry because I was interested in how the human eyes work and what are the factors that allows us to be able to see. My experience in this course has been really fun so far. You get lots of hands-on clinical training such as checking your eyes, putting in contact lenses properly, and even making your own pair of glasses. Furthermore, we get to attend industry partnership classes to stay relevant in the industry. If you are considering to pursue optometry, having a keen interest in science is crucial. Personally, I took combined chemistry and physics in O-level, and hence didn't have the biology background. But that did not stop me from pursuing optometry at all. This is because the basics of biology will be taught in year 1, and you gain a strong foundation that will prepare you for the modules in year 2 and 3. So that's a day in my life as an optometry student, and I hope you've enjoyed it. Till next time, bye!